In the deepest trenches of our vast oceans, a creature exists unlike any other, one that defies the very concept of mortality. It holds a profound secret. This humble being carries no formidable fangs, wields no weaponized defenses, nor possesses any combat prowess. Yet, it harbors an extraordinary power. It holds the unique ability to rewind its own biological clock, a true reversal of its life cycle. This phenomenon challenges everything we understand.
Today, I've brought a single specimen, a Turritopsis dohrnii, or the immortal jellyfish dohrnii, into its self-contained glass habitat for study.
My goal here is not intervention or violent experimentation. Instead, it's pure, unadulterated observation of this fragile wonder.
I want to witness firsthand a living entity reaching its natural end, yet staunchly refusing death, a fascinating refusal of mortality. The profound inquiry: if aging cannot claim it, what does this immortal creature do when undeniable signs of senescence manifest within its delicate form? How does life respond when its body starts to fail, but its intrinsic will to exist remains unbroken, defying biological limits? Observe the immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii, moving with meditative grace. Its soft bell-shaped body pulses rhythmically, opening and closing like a gentle aquatic breath. Observing its normal state, there's no frantic urgency, no perceptible stress in its delicate undulations. This creature seems untroubled by any ticking clock. It doesn't recognize an end dictated by time. Its existence is a fluid dance, a continuous, effortless glide through its aquatic environment. After extended observation, subtle changes emerge in the jellyfish's behavior and form, signaling a fascinating transformation beginning to unfold within its delicate structure. The jellyfish's perfectly synchronized bell contractions subtly falter, revealing a minor tremor in its rhythmic pulse, a deviation from its usual precision. The once flawlessly symmetrical bell now displays a faint distortion, a barely perceptible warp along its delicate edges, altering its perfect form. Character Cone leans closer, his short, dark hair still, eyes intensely focused, meticulously documenting every minute alteration in the jellyfish's structure. Its elegant, long tentacles, once fully extended with grace, now occasionally retract or appear notably less buoyant. This subtle change reflects a gradual decline in its characteristic youthful agility. No longer lifting its body with youthful vigor, the jellyfish displays telltale signs of advancing biological age. This quiet transformation marks a significant phase in its life cycle. To the unaided eye, the signs are clear. The ancient jellyfish is weakening. Yet, there is no apparent distress, no frantic attempt to escape or react with panic. The delicate bell, once open and proud, visibly starts its inward journey. Its translucent margins slowly begin to curl, drawing towards the center in a controlled, elegant motion. The bell's transformation deepens as its delicate margins curl more intensely towards its core. This precise biological withdrawal reveals a calculated fundamental internal shift. This is no random cellular breakdown, but an intricate, internal orchestration. The organism meticulously reconfigures itself, showcasing a unique, life-defying process. Over hours or days, the jellyfish begins its incredible transformation. Its familiar bell form subtly diminishes, signaling a profound biological change is underway. The entire physical mass of the unique jellyfish contracts, forming a single, compact entity. This remarkable transformation is the initial step in its extraordinary life cycle. The adult jellyfish form completely vanishes, giving way to the reappearance of its youthful, sessile polyp. A remarkable transformation unfolds. Cells undergo radical reassignment, and its biological machinery resets. Every aspect reverts to a primordial youthful state, erasing prior wear and tear. It is truly the same creature, now fundamentally younger, having masterfully circumvented its own demise, achieving a complete biological reset. Its profound strategy is to refuse existence in a suboptimal form. Instead of decay, it embraces transformation, rejecting the limitations of its current state. It holds the unique ability to rewind its own biological clock, a true reversal of its life cycle. This phenomenon challenges everything we understand.